Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see everyone is done. So, our question is round bracket open 10 divide 5 round bracket close multiplication 5 divide 5. So now first which we simplify the first. So here our choice is first we simplify this, or sorry, first we simplify this and first we simplify this, our choice, because both are in division. Okay, so now first of all we simplify according to rule, parenthesis. So here 10 divided 5 is 2, here right here, and 5 divided 5 is same. Now 2 of condition in BODMAS, BODMAS, B for bracket, B for bracket, and O for off. Okay, so now off condition 2 multiply 5 is 10, divide 5. Now our third condition is division. Okay, third condition is division. 10 divided 5 is 2. So our final answer of this question is 2. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.